How to contact Zengo support for help. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari. Let's head over to Safari for now. In the search bar, search for Zengo customer support. Over here you can see it says, if you have any inquiries, complaints or suggestions, you may contact us at this email address or via online contact forms, chats or other forms of communication as may be available through our apps or websites. So for you, the mailing address is given over here. You can do any inquiries or state any of the problem that you have been facing to this email address. Now click on this very first site. It will open up this interface. You can simply enter your email address, and in your message section, you need to state the problem or any inquiries that you want to make. Well, if it doesn't work, you can still contact this other communication medium over here, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this was your tutorial today on how to contact Zengo support for help. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.